I started a business called the Tiny Timber Company. I make modern dollhouses and dollhouse furniture and accessories. I was looking for something that I can use all of my creative talents. The Glowforge was a game changer for me creatively. This is my Glowforge. I got the Glowforge Plus model. I just have it set up here in the corner of the room. I am first and foremost a mother. I have 3 little ones, and when I do my cutting, it's at night. So I put my little ones to bed, and then it's mom's time to work and create amazing, wonderful things. People are really blown away by the quality of craftsmanship, and I know I owe a lot of that to the Glowforge because I couldn't create this, or maybe wouldn't create it. It would take way too long, and it would be way too expensive to be able to share it. But with the Glowforge, it has been really easy to make really beautiful pieces that are in budget to actually start a small business. This one is just a tiny plant stand. This one is probably my daughter's favorite, which is the baby crib. My son's favorite is the bunk bed, and the two of them play for hours, which is so fun to be making things that they really love and they look forward to playing with. I use all of my own original designs for furniture, create them in the computer, upload them to Glowforge, and hit print. I am so excited to have the Glowforge in my home. I feel like everyone should have it, any maker. If you're wondering, you should definitely pull the trigger. There's so much potential ahead. You can find me at www.thetinytimbercompany, where you can find modern dollhouse furniture, both assembled and unassembled, if you want to be a maker too. Keep a lookout. My name's Natalia Smith, The Tiny Timber Co. Thanks so much.